Hello and welcome. In this video I will talk about another tool. This tool called text tool. You can create text in Inkscape. Just click on it and click in any area you want and then start typing your text. This parameter, this is the parameter of your text. Like the parameters that exist in Microsoft Word. You can select the text type or font. You can make it normal, italic, bold, italic, bold, italic. You can control the font size. You can control the spacing between baselines. You can this is the value of spacing. You can also select your preferred unit. I prefer in pixel. You can make the alignment of text left, centered, right, or justified. You can type superscript or subscript, also like Microsoft Word. You can control the spacing between letters like this. You can also control the spacing between words.